Looking pretty nice in here, man. You got this, boy? What's going on, man? There you are. And we just slipped gears, bruh. I think she was giving me a thumbs up. Okay, that about took me out right there. Imagine Pitbike Adventures, but no pit bike, just adventures. Yeah, buddy! Pitbike Adventures 17. Dude, this weather is amazing. It is cloudy outside, but it's got a nice breeze. I think it's like, I don't know, 62, 63. It's insanely good weather for riding the pit bike. So we're gonna be full sending as always. And I did tighten up my handlebars since the last time, because I hit that like pothole thing, and then I was actually thinking about going that way, but nah, it's fine. Yeah, we hit that pothole and then my handlebars went like, or they went out. So I tightened them up, I tested them, they should stay. I don't think I had them tightened down all the way, so. Golly, they're throwing up these fast. And the other one, I said like they're putting up the frames or something. I meant they're putting up the framing stuff for the like concrete bases, you know. So, oh, miss a gear there. Oh, dang it, my breather came loose. I don't want gas shooting up on me. Let me fix this. Even though my the seal in there is broken, so if I go up any hill or anything, gas leaks out on me. If I go right now, gas is literally leaking out of there, and this is tightened down all the way, so I kind of need to get a new one of those. Y'all want a door? Perfect door over there. They're kind of making a trail in there, actually. We'll go hit this spot. One finger shifting. Honestly, I always like to use two fingers, but I don't know. Pallets. That was a pretty sick jump, actually. I think they're probably still working on those, so we'll stay over at the area they're not working on. I'm still gonna rip through that area later, but for now I'm staying over here, I guess. There's probably not gonna be a good sunset, and I'm kind of early, so yeah, no sunset. Right over that bush. I didn't even think about that. I wasn't looking. But let's go hit up the back trail, because there's a lot of people around here today. So I tell you what, we haven't been on that back the giant trail in the back in a long time. The one that, you know, you could take it all the way down in there and then up through that. Hill climbs, actually. Okay. It's a little sketch. but we're doing fine. So one thing I definitely need to do is I need to clean out my air filter. I definitely need to clean out my carburetor as well. Change the oil. There's some dogs over there. Because my air filter, you probably can't see, but you can see all this grass and it's like kind of like brown because of so much dirt's in it. So yeah. Okay, we're going this back way. Ooh. This is like one of my favorite spots. I mean, so many trails are good, but like, dude, this is just like a lot of everything. Up and down through hills. Okay. Oh yeah. It's been a while. I forgot the trail was through here. I remembered. Yeah, this spot is sick up here. It's just some good show trails. There's the road over there, and then that's where I was rushing down and came back up that one time. Which I hear some dogs. What's going on, man? There you are. I don't know if I should do it again, but it was honestly kind of fun. Yeah, screw it. It's super sketchy, but I'm doing it. Oh my goodness. Dude, that gigantic rock almost took me out right there. Oh gosh, there's a lot of cars. Turn around before we get seen. Turn around in here, actually. I could try and make a run for it down there, but like go all the way around that side. But that's a little too sketchy for me. I almost just dumped it right there. Yeah, like that on a Chinese fit bike, and I've done that a few times. Like, I don't know what else y'all are saying, but this thing can handle the beating, okay? It can handle a beating. Ah, this part's really pretty sketch. Alrighty, going down. It's really just sketch because there's a lot of rocks and it's pretty uneven. A lot of my riding, it probably doesn't even look bad on camera, but trust me, that thing I just hit up in the back, near that fence line, dude, that is literally, it's so uneven, rocks everywhere. Like, you can tell how much I'm just like bouncing up and down going up that, and this thing handles it fine. One other thing is, dude, it's almost been a year since I got this bike. The 1 year review is coming up soon. I'll make a good video for that. But dude, $750 when I got it at the time. I know they're more expensive now. It lives up to its name. I don't care what anyone says. This was one of my, I'm so glad I got this bike. Dude, there's a kitty. Hey, come back here, man. So, Yeah, man. We're putting the adventures back in Pitbike Adventures. It honestly used to be just me walking around doing random stuff like this. Oh, we got ourselves a TV, eh? Looking pretty nice in here, man. There you go. Alrighty. Got this boy. Interesting. Imagine Pitbike Adventures, but no pit bike, just adventures. It would be me just walking around everywhere. Alright, now I think it's time to go hit up the roads because we're getting close to being done. And we just slipped gears, bruh. They're still out here working on all that stuff. Oh, dude, she waved back. I think she was giving me a thumbs up. That's pretty nice. They're working on the houses. Sorry, running over your extension cords. Dang, that's like 4 vans for air conditioning. They're getting that boy knocked out. Waved at him. I think they wet down this dirt or something. It's all like super slick in here. Well, I don't really want to annoy these people because like they're out here working, but dude, this is literally gonna be gone like soon. This is my spot. Like, I like this road, but it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. Dude, these were fast. I was actually out here not a month ago, less than a month ago, like a week, and the signs were up, but the like wood and stuff wasn't. So they're making progress. Oh. Okay, that about took me out right there. I saw those rocks at the last second with that little drop off. I was like, man, I am screwed. And that right there. Gotta watch it, man. Full sending's good, but we gotta watch ourselves. Alright guys, that was it for this episode. I'm Bataha, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Peace.